Hi everyone, welcome back to Gina's Corner. Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to own your bowl with the new Glam Fantasy nails. Let's get started. We're going to select the right sizes for Stephanie, and there's two ways that you can wear these nails. You can use the tabs that are included in the package as well as the nail glue. Easy way to do this is to take the nails and pour them right out on the table. The sizes range from 0, being the largest, to 12, which is the smallest. Once you've sized your nails, we're going to start with the cuticle stick that's included in your package, and we're going to push back your cuticles. Doing this gently, you're going to take the slanted part of the wood stick and gently around the cuticle. And then you want to wipe any excess oils. Use that with acetone, with nail polish remover, or alcohol. We're ready to apply the nails, and we're using the tabs on one hand. The numbers on the tabs corresponds to the nails that we're applying. As you're applying the tab to the natural nail, picture it as a frame. You're framing the nails. You do not want to go too close to the cuticle. You want basically an outline. You find the size, press it down, and then you move to the next one. Once you've set the tabs on the nail, you peel off. There's a plastic film, and you take that right off. As I'm applying the nail, I usually come in at an angle. You go up around to the cuticle line, not over. Once you feel the nail up to the cuticle, you press down. You go from side to side, make sure that all sides are covered, you press, and then you release. Now we're ready to do the other hand with the glue. You're going to take your pink gel nail glue, applying it right at the base where the cuticle line of the tip will be, and then I put a little bit on the tip of the free edge. This allows the nail, once I press it down, the glue comes together and is sealed with no air pockets. Now we're ready to complete the process and file and shape to the desired length. Now that you know how to apply your Glam Fantasy nails, go out and own your bold.